Samsung has finally launched its latest big-screen foldable phone, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. While it's not a major leap from the previous Z Fold 4, the real test is how it stacks up against its competitors. For years, Samsung held a monopoly on large foldable phones in North America, but that has changed. Google entered the arena this year with its own take on the form factor, the Google Pixel Fold. While the Pixel Fold shows promise, it still has room for improvement, especially in terms of its wider cover screen. Both phones are among the top releases this year, so let's see how they compare. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5, much like previous models in the Z Fold series, stands out easily when seen in public. It features a tall cover screen with an aspect ratio that differs from what you typically find on a conventional phone. The cover screen measures 6.2 inches, but due to the way display sizes are measured diagonally, it might feel slightly smaller than that. Typing on this outer screen might pose some challenges, but the decision to keep the cover screen narrow results in a more square-shaped main screen, which benefits app adaptability. Interestingly, both the 6.2-inch cover screen and the 7.6-inch main screen remain unchanged in terms of size and resolution compared to the Z Fold 4. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 features a main screen with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and a resolution of 2176 x 1812, providing 374 pixels per inch. On the cover screen, you'll also find a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, but with a resolution of 2316 x 904 and 402 pixels per inch. However, there is a significant distinction between the two panels. The main screen can reduce its refresh rate all the way down to 1 Hz, whereas the cover screen can only go as low as 48 Hz. The Pixel Fold resembles a standard smartphone when closed with a 5.8-inch cover screen and a pleasing aspect ratio. Both the cover screen and the 7.6-inch main screen feature OLED panels with 120Hz refresh rates and similar resolutions, ensuring a fantastic viewing experience. The cover screen has a resolution of 2092 x 1080, while the main screen has a resolution of 2208 x 1840. However, the wider cover screen results in a peculiar aspect ratio on the main screen, which some third-party apps haven't fully adapted to yet. In terms of design, both smartphones resemble their traditional slab phone counterparts. The Pixel Fold features the iconic camera bar seen in the Pixel lineup, while the Z Fold 5 has the 3-dot camera system from Galaxy S phones. The Z Fold 5 has a taller footprint measuring 6.1 x 2.64 x 0.53 inches folded and 6.1 x 5.11 x 0.24 inches unfolded. On the other hand, the Pixel Fold is shorter, measuring 5.5 x 3.1 x 0.5 inches folded and 5.5 x 6.2 x 0.2 inches unfolded, making it the thinnest foldable phone in the US. However, the Z Fold 5 is lighter than the Pixel Fold, weighing 253 grams and 283 grams respectively. Both phones, the Z Fold 5 and the Pixel Fold, lack dust resistance, evident from their IPX8 durability rating. However, they are water-resistant, which is a positive aspect. The IPX8 standard ensures that these smartphones can withstand immersion in water up to 1 meter deep for around 30 minutes. This level of water resistance makes them suitable for use in the rain and able to endure accidental falls and puddles. However, it's essential to avoid submerging them in deep water to ensure their safety and proper functioning. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5 boasts top-notch hardware, featuring a powerful 4-nm chip on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 platform. Expected to be a performance and benchmark powerhouse like its predecessor, the Z Fold 4. However, the user experience might be affected by Samsung's One UI 5 software, which is a relatively heavy Android 13 skin with bloatware, duplicate apps, ads, and unwanted games. This is worth considering when making a purchase, as Pixel devices tend to have less bloatware. Google's Pixel Fold with stock Android 13 offers excellent optimization but falls short in the performance battle against the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Pixel Fold's Tensor G2 chip, nearly a year old, is underpowered for a flagship foldable. It lags behind Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and Gen 2 chips in benchmarks and tends to overheat. Despite Google's optimization, Samsung's Z Fold 5 emerges as the clear winner on paper. To compare these chips, we conducted a Geekbench 6 benchmark between the Z Fold 4 and the Pixel Fold. Given that the Z Fold 4 has a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, it's likely that the Z Fold 5 will outperform it. Additionally, we included the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in the comparison, which features a custom Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Galaxy chipset, providing further insights into what the Z Fold 5 might offer. Keep in mind that benchmarks are just one way to gauge a phone's performance and may not fully represent the actual user experience. The Pixel Fold's slim design may raise doubts about its battery life claims, considering it's touted as the thinnest foldable in North America. Nevertheless, it houses a 4,821 mAh battery, larger than the Galaxy Z Fold 5's 4,400 mAh battery. However, the Tensor G2's tendency to run hot and consume battery power hampers the full potential. Our reviewer observed that the Pixel Fold typically lasts for 12 to 18 hours on a single charge, but you might manage a full day with careful usage. Do note that the Pixel Fold charges slowly, so quick charging when the battery runs low isn't an option. The camera systems on the Z Fold 5 and the Pixel Fold are not as strong as their respective traditional flagship counterparts. The Z Fold 5 has a 50-megapixel f1.8 main camera, a 10-megapixel f2.4 telephoto lens, and a 12-megapixel f2.2 ultrawide camera, along with a 10-megapixel f2.2 hole punch selfie camera on the cover screen. It also features a 4-megapixel f1.8 under-display camera on the main screen, which may result in slightly grainy and hazy images. Further testing is needed to assess the camera performance, but expectations are similar to the Z Fold 4's quality. The Pixel Fold boasts the best camera system among foldables, though not significantly superior. It features a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 10.8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto lens. The selfie camera on the inner screen is better than the Z Fold 5's due to not being under display. The Pixel Fold's large bezels allow for an unobstructed selfie camera, providing better performance. Additionally, there's a 9.5-megapixel selfie camera on the cover screen, but the rear camera system can be used as well. As with most Pixel devices, the photo quality excels thanks to machine learning and post-processing technology. Both the Z Fold 5 and Pixel Fold lack built-in stylus support. However, the Pixel Fold doesn't support a first-party stylus at all, while Samsung offers the S Pen Fold Edition for the Z Fold 5, which works on the main screen but is sold separately. Samsung also sells a case for the Z Fold 5 and S Pen, adding more thickness to the already large foldable phone. Now, which is right for you? Despite not undergoing significant changes comm-to-pixelated to the Z Fold 4, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 remains a more comm-to-pixel-rehensive foldable option than the Pixel Fold. Samsung's expertise, developed over 5 years of refining foldable phones, is evident in terms of durability and polish. Additionally, the flagship processor and capable camera system make the Z Fold 5 an excellent daily driver for most users seeking a foldable device. However, it's crucial to test out One UI and ensure you are comfortable with the operating system before investing nearly $2,000 in the Z Fold 5, as opinions about it vary widely among users. Indeed, the Pixel Fold has its advantages, especially for those who prefer stock Android 13 over One UI as the operating system. Fans of the Pixel ecosystem will find it enjoyable and useful. The wider cover screen on the Pixel Fold also offers better usability comm-to-pixelated to the Z Fold 5's cover screen. However, being a first-generation product, the Pixel Fold may come with some bugs and flaws. Despite this, it is likely to fare better than Samsung's original Galaxy Z Fold when it first launched, and future generations will undoubtedly see refinements in megapixel improvements. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.